Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hopa Chieng. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do knotless braids. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be showing you the things I'm going to be using in this video. Abuja. Oh god, it's not focusing. Yeah, Abuja. 5 packets of them. And I'm going to be using styling gel on my parts. So yeah, let's just get into this and you see the whole procedure. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, I'm dividing the hair into small parts so that it can be easy for me to work with it as I'm braiding. You will also need pins to hold your hair after you've parted and a comb. Here I'm dividing the hair. Okay, I'm parting the hair into a straight line, which is really neat, so that my parts, when I braid them, are neat enough before I start braiding the hair. This is the procedure of braiding it. It's very easy. So you start start plaiting your hair without any piece of hair. Then you attach one piece and continue and braid. Then attach another one. And braid. Then attach the last one. Then continue braiding continuously. This is the easiest method of braiding I can see, because it's very easy to do it, as you can see. Yeah, so the first part is done. That's the second row. So I'm going to repeat the whole braiding process ahead so that you can get to understand how it is done better. Knotless braids have become such a trend. Everyone is having knotless braids. So, the better thing is if you can do it for yourselves. So I'm hoping you'll get to learn from this video and you're going to try it on your own and see how you're going to do it. So I'm going to be repeating the whole process again. Just apply some gel on the edges so that it can be neat. Then start braiding your own natural hair without any braid. Then add one piece of braid. Then braid it twice. Then add the second one. braid it twice, then you add the last one. And continue braiding it. Yeah, that's just the process. It's a really easy one, and it's so easy for you to learn this. It's the easiest braiding technique I know. I don't know the others very well. This one is the one I know the best because it's very easy. So you can try it out and see how best it works for you. At this part, I was almost done. It was only remaining one, and I get to finish. I was so happy because I had been doing my hair for 2 days. I usually do it in breaks, but you can see it in the video. So yeah, after this I'm going to finish the ends, put it in hot water, then I'll come back with the end result and show you how it looks. So stay tuned for that. So guys, as you can see, this was the end result and it turned out so nice. So guys, as you can see, I have finally finished my hair and I'm so glad with how it came out. So I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial and you're going to try doing your own hair, because most of us are at home and you can try new stuff. Even for me, like I started braiding like this quarantine. I never knew to braid. I just started, like my first try was really bad, but then I continued. Yeah, and now I'm getting better and better. So I hope you'll try this hairstyle, this knotless braids. Yeah, and I'll see you next week in my other video. Goodbye.